Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, Boots and Dora.
Good morning, Teacher Jill.
And good morning, Teacher Grace.
Good morning.
And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Teacher Jill?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Do you know what day it is today?
Yes, it's Friday.
Friday. Yeah, we like Friday, don't we? Okay. Can you remember what we were learning about a few days ago? We were learning about sea animals, weren't we? So here's a picture of the sea. There it is, that's the blue sea. We love to swim in the sea, don't we, Boots? And we like to dig and play on the sand too. And these are some animals that live in the sea. This is a
Starfish.
starfish. Very good. This is a
Jellyfish.
jellyfish. This is a
Whale.
whale. This is a
Fish.
fish. And the last one is a
Shark.
shark. Okay, very good. Now I want to ask you if you can remember the family members. Okay, so who's this?
Mommy.
Mummy. Who's this?
Daddy.
Daddy. Who's this?
Brother.
Brother. Who's this?
Sister.
Sister. Who's this?
Grandpa.
Grandpa. And who's this?
Grandma.
Grandma. And now we're going to sing about a family of sharks. And it's Baby Shark. I'm sure that's our favourite, isn't it? So Teacher Grace is going to put Baby Shark and we're going to sing along. Are you ready?
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Mama shark, do 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 do. Mama shark, do 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 do. Mama shark, do 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 do. Mama shark. Papa shark, do 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 do. Papa shark, do 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 do. Papa shark, do 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 do. Papa shark. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Hungry sharks, do 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 do. Hungry sharks, do 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 do. Hungry sharks, do 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 do. Hungry sharks. Little fish, do 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 do. Little fish, do 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 do. Little fish, do 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 do. Little fish. Swim away, do 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 do. Swim away, do 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 do. Swim away, do 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 do. Swim away. Swim faster, do 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 do. Swim faster, do 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 do. Swim faster, do 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 do. Swim faster. Swim faster, do do do. Swim faster, do do. Swim faster, do do. Swim faster. Swim faster, do do. Swim faster, do. Swim faster, do. Swim faster. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks. Bye bye sharks.
Hey, that's one of my favourites. Right, now we've got something very special. Teacher Grace and her friends have made a special exercise animal video. So we're going to put that on and I want you to do all the exercises that they show you. Can you do that, boys and girls? Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Oh, hello kids! It's Teacher J. Teacher Lanny, Teacher Ruth, Teacher Grace, and Teacher Joy. It's exercise time!
We're gonna learn to be happy, having fun with
You know that animals exercise too?
Yes!
Let's go find animals that we can exercise with. Are you ready? Let's warm up first. Here I found an owl. Owl, warm up by stretching the neck from side to side, like this. Okay, let's warm up like an owl.
Move like an owl. Do the owl. Move like an owl. Do the owl. Move like an owl. Do the owl.
I found a starfish. Starfish exercise by extending their hands up and legs out like this. Let's exercise like a starfish.
Move like a starfish. Do the starfish. Move like a starfish. Do the starfish. Move like a starfish. Do the starfish.
I found a flamingo. Flamingo exercise by hopping on one leg like this. Let's exercise like flamingo.
Move like a flamingo. Do the flamingo. Move like a flamingo. Do the flamingo. Move like a flamingo. Do the flamingo.
I found a bird. Birds exercise by flapping their hands like this. Let's exercise like birds.
Move like a bird. Do the bird. Move like a bird. Do the bird. Move like a bird. Do the bird. I believe I can fly.
I found a donkey. Donkeys exercise by kicking their legs up like this.
Let's do the donkey. Move like a donkey. Do the donkey. Move like a donkey. Do the donkey. Move like a donkey. Do the donkey.
I found a monkey! Monkey exercise by grabbing three branches like this. Let's exercise like monkeys.
Let's do the monkey. Move like a monkey. Do the monkey. Move like a monkey. Do the monkey. Move like a monkey. Do the monkey.
That was a good exercise. Now it's time for us to relax. Everyone, let's breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good job, kids. Let's do it again next time. See ya!
Well, wasn't that fun? I hope you all did your exercises. I'm out of breath now, eh, Teacher Grace? I really enjoyed it though, especially the starfish and the bird and the flamingo and the donkey. Wow. Okay, boys and girls, we'll say goodbye now. So it's goodbye from Teacher Grace, goodbye from Boots and Dora, and goodbye from Teacher Jill. Bye-bye.